roots love reggae. How you carry it? Jah bless. Fire burning inna the heart scene. Roots man steady, love vibration. It's not the Lord where I broke down the soul. It's how you carried brethren, stay in control. Life heavy sometimes, but Jah light the way. Hold the balance, keep strong, never stray. Inna the darkness, Jah shine the torch. Love raise your higher like breeze pon the porch. Roots and culture keep the mind upright. Carry the burden with love, everything I go right. It's how you carry it, my friend. Jah love are the power where I guide to the end. Fire burning, but the heart stay cool. Roots love teach you to live as a king, not a fool. Carry it soft, carry it wise. Lift up your spirit, let your energies rise. Not the weight, but how you walk through it. Jah bless, and you know say we a grow through it. Some days rough, but me still hold firm. Learn from the pain, every lesson me learn. No matter the struggle, me nah give in. Jah put a little sunshine deep within. Loving at the heart, bring peace to my steps. Reggae in my veins, no room for regrets. Life sweet when you share it with truth. Roots love keep you grounded like the tree from the youth. Bless up the ones who a carry them load. Walk with your love on the rocky road. Fire of truth make the spirit rise high. Spread more love till the day we fly. It's how you carry it, my friend. Jah love are the power where you guide to the end. Fire burning, but the heart stay cool. Roots love teach you to live as a king, not a fool. Carry it soft, carry it wise. Lift up your spirit, let your energies rise. Not the weight, but how you walk through it. Jah bless, and you know say we a grow through it.